Welcome to Mombasa, an enchanting coastal city, steeped in history and brimming with adventures. As Kenya's oldest city, Mombasa is a spectacle of stunning beaches, awe-inspiring historic sites, and a unique blend of cultures. The city offers an irresistible mix of relaxation on sun-drenched beaches, exploration of historic wonders, and thrilling encounters with diverse wildlife. It's a city that seamlessly marries the old with the new, the tranquil with the exciting. Now, are you ready to uncover the top 5 things to do in Mombasa, Kenya? But first, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Starting at number 5, step back in time with a visit to the Mombasa tusks and the charming Old Town. These iconic aluminium tusks, symbolic of entrance into the heart of the city, are a tribute to the memory of Queen Elizabeth's visit in 1956. As you wander through the winding streets of the Old Town, you'll be immersed in a unique blend of Arab, British, and Portuguese influences mirrored in the architecture. From ornate wooden balconies to intricately carved doors and narrow, bustling streets, every corner tells a story of a rich and diverse past. A visit to the Mombasa tusks in Old Town is like stepping into a time machine, transporting you to a different era. Coming in at number 4, soak up the sun at Nyali and Diani Beach. Imagine this. Sun-kissed golden sands beneath your feet, the gentle rhythm of crystal-clear waves crashing against the shore. That's a day at Nyali Beach for you. Bustling with locals and tourists alike, it offers a lively beach experience. Now contrast that with Diani Beach. Tucked away from the city's hustle, Diani is a haven of tranquility, its seclusion making it all the more enticing. Whether you're looking for crowds or solitude, Mombasa's beaches have got you covered. At number 3, get up close and personal with nature at Haller Park. This sanctuary offers an engaging encounter with wildlife. From the towering giraffes to the playful monkeys and the rugged buffaloes, the park is a living, breathing testament to nature's wonder. Here you can share a moment with these magnificent creatures, all while fostering responsible and sustainable tourism. It's more than just a visit, it's an experience that's etched into your memory. Haller Park is a must-visit for nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts. Number 2 on our list, dive into history at the Fort Jesus Museum. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to Mombasa's colonial past. Built by the Portuguese in the 16th century, the fort has witnessed the ebb and flow of empires. Today, it houses a museum, showcasing exhibits that provide a fascinating look into the city's history. From Portuguese artifacts to Omani antiques, every exhibit tells a story of resilience, survival, and cultural exchange. A visit to the Fort Jesus Museum is a journey through Mombasa's rich and storied past. And finally, at number 1, embark on an unforgettable safari adventure with a day trip to Tsavo East National Park. This vast sanctuary offers breathtaking landscapes from arid plains to verdant riverbanks and an array of diverse wildlife. Feel your heart race as you spot elephants lumbering under the shadow of the Yata Plateau, or a pride of lions lounging in the sun. Be mesmerized by the sight of cheetahs in a full-speed chase, or giraffes gracefully striding across the savannah. We recommend Marura Safaris. They are extremely knowledgeable about the myriad of wildlife that you will see on your adventure. A day trip to Tsavo East National Park is the ultimate Mombasa experience, combining adventure, wildlife, and stunning natural beauty.